Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix mobile bus simulator app not working or not opening problem. So this is how to fix it if it's not working or not even open. So first of all, you go to your phone menu, then you scroll down below and you're going to see settings. So when you find it, just tap on it. After that, what you have to do next is to um, click on apps and notification, or apps and preference, or app and management. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is to wait. You're going to see or app. So when you find it, just tap on the see or apps or app list, and you are going to see your apps listed alphabetically from. And so after you get to this section, what you have to do is to search for mobile bus simulator app. So in this video, I don't have the app, but I'm going to use a different app, which is a demo app, to illustrate it for you. So what you have to do is to search for mobile bus simulator. So after searching on it, just click, and after that, what you have to do is to tap on the notifications. Make sure it is turned on, so take it on like this. After that, go back, then you check the permissions. As you can see, camera is allowed, location is allowed, so you have to make sure locations and everything is allowed. Then you check the storage and cache. You make sure you clear the storage and also clear the cache. After that, you go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then you make sure it's turned on like this. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on the force stop and click on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to just restart your mobile phone. If it's not working, then please try to visit Google Play Store and search for mobile bus simulator app and update it, and it's going to work perfectly for you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.